Did you know that just a few gentle moves before bedtime, no medication, no special devices, can lead you into a deep, warm, and restorative sleep, just like in your youthful days? It may sound simple, but in traditional Eastern medicine, the right touch, at the right spot, in the right way, and at the right time carries a remarkable power. It can relieve fatigue, unblock the flow of energy and blood, regulate the nervous system, and return your body to its natural state of relaxation. The state where your body begins to heal itself. It is said that during the distant Ming dynasty, great physicians once used this very technique to help emperors relax and drift into slumber, even in the midst of overwhelming affairs of state. While there may not be precise historical records to prove it, this reflects the deep belief of ancient people in the healing power from within, through the hands, the breath, and the stillness of the mind. And in this video, I will reveal to you each simple yet powerful secret, from pressing the right points on the soles of your feet, massaging your abdomen, stimulating certain spots on your neck and ears, to a special breathing rhythm that can switch your nervous system into a different state in just a few minutes. All of these are age-old methods that have helped many people regain restful sleep after years of chronic insomnia. And you can practice them right at home. Before we begin, leave a positive comment, such as "I am healing my sleep every single day," as a quiet yet powerful commitment to yourself. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss the simple guides that can transform your quality of life day by day. So right now, without keeping you waiting any longer, I will guide you step by step through this ancient massage technique. And for the very first step, we will start with something simple and soothing, pressing the Yongquan acupoint combined with a warm foot soak, a small habit that carries the power to balance the flow of energy and blood, calm the mind, and pave the way for deep sleep. In traditional Eastern medicine, the feet are not just the farthest part of the body. They are a crossroads of countless meridians, a gathering place for the flow of energy and blood, a gateway that connects heaven, earth, and human within each person. The ancients had a saying: to nourish life, nourish the feet. To nourish destiny, start from the soles of the feet. And one of the most essential acupoints lies right in that small area, the Yongquan point. Before stimulating this point, people in the East have long practiced soaking their feet every night, not to clean them, but to guide the fire back to its source, meaning to return the heat, the chaotic energy, and the disturbed currents within the body to their calm origin. When you soak your feet in a basin of warm water, perhaps with a few slices of ginger coarse salt or cinnamon bark, you are performing a gentle ritual to awaken the blocked energy inside you. The warm water spreads into the acupoints, softens the meridians, and opens the way for circulation, just like watering a dry field after a long, scorching day. After 10 to 15 minutes, when your feet have fully relaxed, it is time to move to the main part, pressing the Yongquan point, the starting point of the kidney meridian located right in the center of the sole. In Chinese, Yongquan means gushing spring, a hidden stream carrying original energy, a place that opens vitality and soothes the mind. Sit in a comfortable position, gently lift one foot, and use your thumb to make circular motions clockwise on the hollow in the middle of your sole. You do not need to press hard or move quickly, just steady, mindful movements, as if whispering to yourself. Each circle is one deep breath, each motion is a way of comforting your tired body. You can do this for about 1 minute on each foot. According to Eastern medicine, the kidneys store essence open to the ears and influence nighttime sleep. When the flow of energy and blood in the kidney meridian is cleared through the Yongquan point, restlessness no longer dominates you. In traditional medicine, people who often suffer from insomnia, vivid dreams, or waking up in the middle of the night may have what is called weak kidney energy, a concept different from kidney failure in modern medicine. In this ancient system, the kidneys are considered the root of life, the place where original energy is stored, and a major influence on nighttime rest. Once the flow of energy from your soles has been awakened and spread, it is time to go deeper into the body's core, the center of energy, your abdomen. This is also the place that, if stagnant, can silently ruin your sleep without you even realizing it. In traditional Eastern medicine, the abdomen is not just where food is digested. It plays an extremely important role in the circulation of energy and blood. The ancients called this area the middle burner, located between the chest and the navel, where the spleen, stomach, liver, and lungs meet. When the middle burner is balanced, circulation flows smoothly and the mind becomes calmer. Especially in the evening, if you eat dinner too late or too much energy in the abdomen can stagnate, causing bloating and indigestion, which severely affects your sleep. This is why massaging the abdomen before bedtime has become a treasured habit. It aids digestion, reduces pressure on the heart, calms the nervous system, and leads the body into a deep rest. The method is very simple. Lie on your back comfortably in bed and relax your whole body. Rub your hands together to warm them, then place them around your navel. Start making gentle, steady circles clockwise, about 20 rotations. Then reverse the direction, 20 circles counterclockwise. While massaging, combine it with slow breathing and a sense of relaxation. You might imagine your abdomen as a calm lake, and each circular motion as gentle ripples washing away the worries of the day. Just a few minutes each night will help you feel lighter in the stomach, calmer in the mind, and sleep will come naturally without effort. After soothing the abdomen, where silent worries tend to gather, it is time to move to the place that connects the mind and the body, the neck. Here lies a mysterious acupoint with a poetic name, Anmian, which means peaceful sleep. In the treasury of traditional Eastern medicine, there is an acupoint called Anmian, meaning peaceful sleep. This point was highly valued by ancient physicians for treating insomnia, especially for those who toss and turn, dream excessively, or wake up during the night without a clear reason. The Anmian point is located behind the earlobe in the hollow, between the mastoid bone and the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Quite easy to find if you tilt your head slightly and press gently with your fingertip. You will feel a soft, slightly deep hollow, the gateway that leads the mind into relaxation. According to Eastern medicine, this point nourishes, the heart calms, the spirit regulates the nervous system, clears excess heat and promotes tranquility. Ideal for older adults who have trouble sleeping due to weakness of the heart blood deficiency or stagnant energy. Pressing this point is very simple, but works best when done with a quiet mindset. Use your index or middle finger to gently massage the Anmian point clockwise for about 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side. If possible, do both sides at the same time to create balance. While pressing, focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply through the nose, hold for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through the mouth. Keep your hands steady and light, and you will feel the area behind your ears soften from within, followed by a warm sensation spreading down the neck and up to the top of your head. Right after that, continue with a neck massage, a gentle movement that can have a deep impact on the central nervous system. Use the 4 fingers of both hands to stroke gently from the shoulders up to behind the ears along both sides of the neck. Repeat this movement 15 to 20 times at a slow pace in harmony with your breath. The neck is home to many blood vessels and major meridians, such as the bladder meridian, the gallbladder meridian, and the triple burner meridian. If circulation here becomes stagnant, blood flow to the brain is restricted, leading to insomnia, headaches, dizziness, and even numbness in the arms and legs. For older adults, this area is particularly prone to blockages due to lack of movement, prolonged sitting cervical spine degeneration, or simply because time has weakened the meridians. Proper neck massage helps release pressure, improve blood flow to the brain, and ease compressed nerves, thereby guiding the nervous system into a state of rest ready for a good night's sleep. The neck, the bridge between the heart and the mind, is now relaxed. But to let the healing go deeper into the internal organs, we will move to a hidden map of the body, the ears. Here, every tiny point can whisper to the heart, liver, and kidneys, if you truly listen. In the reflexology theory of traditional Eastern medicine, especially in the branch known as auricular therapy, the ears are considered a reflection of the body. Each small point on the ear is believed to correspond to a specific internal organ. On the outer ear and earlobe are dozens of tiny points connected to the liver, kidneys, heart, lungs, spleen, and stomach. In fact, Eastern physicians often describe the ear as resembling an inverted fetus, with the head pointing down to the earlobe and the legs curled along the upper rim, every small point having a close connection to the organs. Regular ear massage is a way to stimulate nerve reflexes, unblock stagnant energy, and gently regulate the function of the 5 vital organs. The method is very simple but requires gentleness and precision. First, use your thumb and index finger to lightly pinch the entire outer ear, moving from the base up to the top and back down again. Repeat this movement 15 to 20 times, keeping the pressure moderate. Not so strong that it causes pain, but enough to feel warmth spreading from the ears. Next, move to the earlobes, the area corresponding to the head and brain in the reflex map. Use your thumb and index finger to pinch lightly and rotate each earlobe for about 30 seconds per side. This small action brings instant comfort, especially effective for reducing nervous tension, improving sleep, and enhancing blood circulation to the brain. When the body has been soothed from the bottom up, feet, abdomen, neck, and ears, we have reached the outer layers. But now let us move to the place that holds emotions from the entire day, the face. All the fatigue, tension, and endless thoughts show clearly on each of its features. And right here, you can begin to erase them little by little. In traditional Eastern medicine, the face is not only a surface that shows emotions. It is also a mirror reflecting the state of your internal energy, blood circulation, and mental health. Massaging the face is not only for beauty, it is also a way to calm the central nervous system and support deeper sleep. Let us start from a very special point, the yin-tang point, also called the third eye, located between the eyebrows right at the center of the forehead. According to traditional Eastern medicine, this is where spirit energy gathers, the starting point of the meridians in the head and face, and a place that helps stabilize the mind and soothe emotions. Using your index or middle finger, press gently on this point and make slow clockwise circles about 20 to 30 times. Breathe slowly while doing this. You will feel the tension in your forehead gradually melt away, your breathing become lighter, and your mind grow calmer. Next, move to the eyebrows. Using both index fingers, glide gently from the inner ends of the eyebrows out toward the temples, repeating about 20 times. This area is connected to the optic nerves and the forehead. This motion helps relieve eye strain, reduce headaches, and relax the forehead, which often tenses from overthinking. Then move to massaging the temples, home to the famous Taiyang point. Using your middle or index fingers, press gently into the hollow just outside the corner of the eyes. Then make gentle circular motions about 20 to 30 times on each side. The temples are highly sensitive to pressure and easily tighten from nervous tension. Massaging here helps slow the heart rate, gently lower blood pressure, and guide the brain into a resting state. For older adults, regularly practicing these motions not only improves sleep, but also enhances blood circulation to the brain, reducing the risk of migraines, memory decline, and dementia. Most importantly, these are quiet moments you give to yourself. No noise, no devices, just your hands, a deep breath, and a bit of mindfulness. When the mind is calm and the face is at ease, return to the part that has always cared for and comforted you, your hands. They are not only tools for holding and working, but also messengers between your heart and your sleep. The hands are not just for work, caregiving, and showing affection. They also hold dozens of important acupoints connected to the nervous system, internal organs, and blood circulation. In traditional Eastern medicine, the palms are considered a control station for the flow of energy and blood. And when activated properly, they can calm the mood, ease anxiety, and guide the body into a natural state of relaxation. Hand massage may seem simple, but it carries great power, especially for older adults, people who often face chronic stress, health worries, or even the quiet loneliness that leads to difficulty sleeping. Start by rubbing your palms together quickly and evenly for about 30 seconds until they feel warm. This calls up energy, activates circulation, and warms all the meridians in the hands. That warmth is not just in the skin, it also sends a signal to the nervous system. Relax, the body is safe. Next, use the thumb of one hand to press and massage the center of the opposite palm, focusing on the hollow where the Laogong point is located. According to Eastern medicine, stimulating this point can help clear excess heat, calm the spirit, regulate heart energy, and slow the heartbeat, especially when combined with slow breathing and a relaxed mindset. Massage this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute on each hand, using moderate pressure either in circles or with gentle press and release motions. While doing this, breathe deeply. You will feel a sense of calm in both your chest and your mind. Beyond the Laogong point, you can also massage each finger one by one, from base to tip. Each finger is believed to reflect a part of the body. The thumb relates to the lungs, the index finger to the large intestine, the middle finger to the heart, the ring finger to the liver, and the little finger to the kidneys. By gently massaging each joint, you not only improve blood flow, but also send recovery signals to each organ system. After all these gentle touches, you have given your body finish with something that seems simple, but is truly powerful: your breath. Because the breath is the bridge between the mind and body, between anxiety and peace. And the 4-7-8 breathing pattern will be the final gift you give yourself tonight. In traditional Eastern medicine, breath is qi, the life energy that moves through the body. When the mind is restless, qi is disturbed. When the mind is still, qi becomes steady. The 4-7-8 breathing technique is an excellent way to balance that flow, calm the nervous system, slow the heart rate, and release the brain from a constant state of stress. You only need to sit or lie comfortably, close your eyes, relax your shoulders, and follow this pattern. Inhale deeply through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds, as if letting all the day's noise settle. Then exhale slowly through the mouth for 8 seconds, as though blowing away all your worries. Repeat this cycle 4 to 6 times. The slower and more mindful each breath, the better the result. When you focus on your breath, your mind no longer has room for endless thoughts. And in that precious stillness, the body begins to restore itself. The sympathetic nervous system gives way to the parasympathetic nervous system, the natural state of rest and healing. Before you commit to making this a nightly habit, take a moment to listen to a few important reminders. Small notes that will help your healing journey be safe and effective. First, listen to your body. Every person has a unique constitution, medical history, and sensitivity level. If during the massage you feel sharp pain, dizziness, discomfort, or shortness of breath, stop and relax. Do not push through. Massage therapy only works when done in comfort, without force, and in full relaxation. Second, do not practice right after a large meal or when you are very hungry. If you have just eaten, wait at least 30 to 45 minutes before starting, especially for abdominal massage. On the other hand, if you are too hungry, your body can lose energy and feel fatigued while practicing. The best time is in the evening, about 30 minutes before bed, after cleaning up in a quiet space with soft lighting and without distractions. For those with chronic conditions such as severe high blood pressure, heart disorders, kidney disease, cancer, or those on strong medications, consult your doctor before making this a regular practice. Some acupoints, while calming, can strongly activate certain systems in the body, and if unsuitable, may raise or lower heart rate, drop blood pressure, or disrupt energy balance. And one last very important note, do not expect too much from the very first time. Like a river blocked for many years, energy flow also needs time to be restored. Some people will notice a difference after just 1 or 2 sessions, while others may need a few weeks to see real change. What matters most is consistency, self-kindness every day, and faith in the body's natural ability to heal itself. And as you can see, with just a few simple, gentle, and completely natural movements, you can give yourself a priceless gift, a deep, peaceful sleep without the tossing and turning each night. This is not just a quick tip. It is an art of nurturing life that has been passed down for hundreds of years from traditional Eastern medicine, and now you can apply it right at home every evening before going to bed. Be patient and practice regularly, just a little each night, and you will see your body change in ways that modern medications sometimes cannot provide. And if you find these instructions helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, so you will not miss the valuable content coming next. Please note that the methods in this video are not a replacement for conventional medical treatment. If you are facing serious insomnia that has lasted for months, or if you have psychological symptoms, seek advice from a doctor or sleep specialist for an appropriate treatment plan. Massage and acupressure serve only as supportive measures, helping your body return to its natural state of relaxation. Leave a comment below with a positive affirmation such as, "I am healing my sleep every single day," or share your experience after applying the steps in this video. Together we will create a space filled with positive energy where everyone can live in good health, live in peace, and live fully. Thank you for being here. Wishing you a truly deep sleep tonight and a light, peaceful tomorrow.